Sir, the defense lawyer kanina si Norbasa, that Canelo seemed to be following a script, may ganun siyang comment na pinalagan ng private prosecutor, si Attorney Lilican. Your comment or your thoughts?
I don't understand why defense or lawyers are actually allowed to make their ideas known, ano? Na parang they are thinking out loud. Di ba kasi, what is the basis for saying that there is a script? Hindi ba? Talagang trabaho naman talaga nung witness yun pong bagay yun, hindi ba? So, we take exception to that. And that has no basis. Dapat durugin yun.
Pwede kong dagdagan yung tanong ni Dwight kanina yung sa script saka dun sa numerous objections. May nag-coach kasi kanina. Kanina umaga may nag-coach. Yun ang turo niya nung pumunta siya dito. Hindi ko alam. Pero ang alam ko, yung preparation will always beat the objection. So, kita-kita po natin na handang-handa po ang prosecutors kanina.